Please do subscribe.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते। हाउ आर यू ऑल? तो आज हम करेंगे ये गाना खामोशियाँ and it is a very famous song and I have played this song in one string. Okay, so two things I will teach you here is first thing I'll teach you the depths, line by line I will teach you. Second thing I will teach you the chords. Easy strumming. Check it. So without delay, let's go directly to the lesson. Now let's start the song. So first line. Okay, the notes are E1, E3, E5, E6, E5, E1, E3, E5, E6, E5. Then okay, the notes are E1, E3, E5, 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 E6, E8, E6, E5, E3. Okay, then okay, the notes are E1, E3, E5, E6, E5. So E10, E8, E10, E8. Okay, so this you play two times. Then so E1, E3, E5, 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 E6, E8, E6, E5, E3. Then okay, the notes are E6, E8, E6, E8, E10. Then same thing, so E6, E8, E6, E8, E10. Then okay, the notes are E13, E12, E10, E13, E12, E10, E9, E10, E12. Then the next is okay, the notes are E13, E12, E10, E10, E8, E6. Notes are E6, E8, E6, E5, E3. So next is E0, E1, E3, E5. So you play this two times. Then the next part. Okay, the notes are E13, E13, E12, E10, E9, E10. Okay, the notes are E5, E13, E13, E12, E10, E9, E10, E8, E8, E6. The next part is notes are E3, E12, E12, E10, E9, E10. Then the notes are E3, E12, E12, E10, E9, E10, E8, E6, E5. So the next part is so the notes are E13, E13, E12, E10, E9, E10. Then the notes are E5, E13, E13, E12, E10, E9, E10, E8, E8, E5. Then the next part, the notes are E3, E12, E12, E10, E9, E10. Then the notes are E3, E12, E12, E10, E9, E10, E8, E6, E5. Uske baad, again the first part will come back. Okay friends, so let's learn the chords of this song. तो क्या क्या chords है इसमें? First is D minor, ठीक है? E1, G2 and B3. ये हो गया D minor. Then we play the F chord. F chord is A3, D3, G2, B1, E1. ये हो गया F chord. Then we play A minor. A minor is A, B1, E, D2, G2. Okay, the next chord is, we'll use C, easy chord, A3, D2, B1. ठीक है, then we use G minor. देखिए आपको ये F तो आपको आता होगा, F. So this is F sharp, this is G. Now G minor कैसे होगा? Just put this middle finger up. ये नहीं चाहिए. This is G minor. So G minor के लिए है A5, D5, G3, B3, E3 together. ठीक है? Then we play A sharp, D3, G3, B3 or E1 or A chord, D2, G2, B2. So these are the chords. Now let's learn how to play this song. खामोशियाँ आवाज़ है, तुम सुनने तो आओ कभी, छू कर तुम्हें खिल जाएगी, घर इनको बुलाओ कभी, बेकरार है बात करने को, कहने दो इनको जरा. So what I've done in the first part, I just have done all the strings, stroking all the strings. I feel it sounds better, okay? Now the next part. क्या उस गली में कभी तेरा जाना हुआ, जहाँ से ज़माने को गुज़रे ज़माना हुआ, मेरा समय तो वहीं पे है ठहरा हुआ, बताओ तुम्हें क्या मेरे साथ क्या क्या हुआ. Then again, it's similar to the first part. Khamoshiyan. It's very pretty easy. So the strumming which I have used here is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, it's pretty easy. Just try playing it. You will enjoy the song. Any question, any queries, you can always reach me. Okay, thank you guys.